Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to convert list Python list to Snowpark Dataframe. In previous tutorial we created the object of session. So let's create a list. List apple, mango, tea. Third item is grapes, so we created this list. Now I will show you how you can convert this list into Snowpark Dataframe. So df is equal to session dot create data frame list and then the schema. First column is ID, second column is fruit name. This way we can create the Snowpark data frame. Now df dot show. So this is going to show the data frame. Then need to run the python test.py. So it displayed the data frame. Creating the data frame from list is very simple. You have to call session.create data frame, pass the list. Watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.